Class, dapat binabantan sa discuss the teacher that na data.
Yes, teacher!
Kasi mga tao sa kursa, unsa ang numbers and things. Okay, Russell.
Number sentence, teacher, guys. Mathematical operation that has addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
Okay, very good. Very good, Russell. Favorite Russell is numbers and things is not like ito addition, subtraction, multiplication, and addition. Kasi makatao sa kursa, addition method sa numbers and things. Okay, very good. Ito yung bigyan ng pagkakal sa kursa, addition method sa numbers and things. So this is correct. How about the subtraction? Okay, very good. So this is the example sa subtraction method sa numbers and things. How about the multiplication? Okay. Again. So what is the example sa multiplication method in numbers and things? How about the addition? So what are examples nila sa numbers and things sa addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So now, class. Ano ang importante naman mag-determine so carefully the important details in solving word problems. So now, why is it important class to determine first carefully the important details in solving word problems.
Para teacher, kapalo ka ako sa table na imong gamiton mo. Yan, importante kayo na masinatan mo ang details na ihatan din. Sa tuloy mo following question kung isang dapat na table mong gamiton.
Okay, so, ganito, welcome si Russell. So, ang tingin natin ito is tama. Kung hindi kita pwede na magpatatalaan mo, mag-solve sa mga problema, wala ka naman sa mga solusyon ng mga goals. So, karoon, class naman. Kung mag-1 mo si paper, class, gano'n ako activities.
Yan na teacher.
Please, the repetition person.
Find the missing number in the number sentence. Write it in your notebook or one whole sheet of paper.
So, nalapay mo rin siya.
Nana teacher.
Gano'n So the missing number sa number 1 is 22. So this is correct. What kind of answer sa number 2? Okay. Okay, so answer missing numbers are number 2 is 10. So 151 minus 10 is total of 111. What kind of answer sa number 2? Okay, thank you. So missing numbers number 3 is 32. So 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. So tama ang number 2. How about number 4? So missing numbers number 4 is 18. 71 plus 9 is equal to. How about number 5? Actually, missing numbers number 5 is 153. Okay, correct. Go back to perfect score class. Alam mo na ako perfect score. So your paper is para lang sa yung So current class is not, before we enter discussion today, we have to say yung assignment. Please read up. Kids are welcome. Yes.